we are on the road again. It's been a busy couple days, so I haven't put any videos out for a day or two, but the last couple days I might just smash them all together on a 15 or 20 minute video and show you some of the highlights. But right now we're headed up on the West Rim Trail, which is the trail I guided for the ATV Jamboree. We're going to pick up a gentleman out there and his family that's broken his steering gear on his Jeep. So get him out of there for the night. Hopefully get enough parts to get him back on the trail again. And we'll take you along for the ride. Well, we're working our way in here. I'll tell you what, Southern Utah is a beautiful place. And it looks even better when it has a little skiff of snow on it. We don't want it to stick around very long though. We like our 65-degree days in January. But we'll take the moisture. Man, we could sure use the moisture. It's been dry here. We're gonna bomb in here and pick these folks up and get them back. Hopefully get in and out of here before dark. Gold now. We're headed west on West Rim Trail from Top of the World. Gonna head around and drop off into the main lower West Rim Trail and see if we can find these folks, but we'll have them loaded up and hopefully in the Jeep before the sun goes down and get the heck out of here. So that's just a quick update. What a beautiful place. Man, I can't get over how nice it is. All right, well, it's pretty dark, but we got to him. We're gonna, John Hardy's up here. He's got his welder out. We're gonna try if we can weld the sector shaft on. But can you think of a better place to call your office? Better place to call your office than right here in Southern Utah.
Want me to shut it off or?
John, he's gonna weld this sucker up. He's gonna put gloves on too. No, you got kind of a big gob right there. See that big gob?
But I want a little bit of gap so we can find that thing in there.
Okay, if you...
Right there, see that?
Yep. Okay.
hair burn. Now go ahead and turn that thing all the way passenger. If this works, there'll be one for the history book. Okay, you got the nut and wire. Forward and it'll tighten up. It'll swing it over. Keep going. Keep going. Straighten out, Jake. Driver, Jake. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Stop, Jake. Keep going. Go ahead and pull right against him. Okay, now set your park brake. Jake, I don't know if it'll pull it or not, but try pulling it forward. It'll swing you over anyway. Okay, let off your brakes. Okay, go on ahead, Jake. Okay, come on back slow. Come on back slow. Tighten it up. Pull harder, Jake. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, keep going. You're good. Just hold your brake. A little more.
There we go.
Nice and slow, Jake.
Looking good. Oh. Hold it right there.
Let him roll down.
You want to have him put the front in and help him push?
Yeah, do that.
You put the front in and help him push?
Yeah, put the front in.
Lock anything?
Put the front in. Back.
You can lock either, probably. Can you lock them separate?
Yeah.
Yeah, just lock the front.
Put the front in and get going forward.
Oh! There we go.
Once it bumps up, let's have him hold his brakes. Come on, let it roll back. Not even helping him until it comes up, and then hold your brakes.
unlock that front?
That's fine.
It's all right.
Nice and easy, Jake. Might take you over that hill. Nice and slow. Okay, jam your brake. Okay. Just keep doing that a little bit. Okay, just let it roll. So you get up. Okay, now jam them. Keep doing that. Okay, let it roll back. Okay. You can go get your vehicle, Casey.
All right. You want this light?
Nice and slow, Jake. Okay, nice and slow.
All right. So we are just pulling him back up out of there. John Hardy's got his buggies down in there, so we'll go down and get the Cherokee and help work him back up out of here. Toyota lovers everywhere would be proud. We're out here following these guys out, kind of helping them light the way a little bit. But we're headed back down towards the water tank, gonna have a rollback meet us out there. But got John Hardy and his boy Jacob helping out. They've got probably as much trail experience around here as anybody, and brought the Carnage welder out and tried to weld that sector shaft. And of course it didn't hold very long, but it got us a couple, well, it didn't get us very far at all, let's put it that way. However, we're working our way out of here. We kind of anticipated leaving the Jeep and giving these folks a ride home, but decided it was probably better just to get them out of here and get the Jeep out of here. And so what we've done is just ratchet strapped and tied up the steering to where it was mounted solid, straight, and just hooked up about a 4-foot strap. We're just going to drag them right out of here. Shouldn't have any issues at all. So we'll get a little of that footage and show you what we're up to tonight. And like I said, I've been pretty busy doing towing and everything else, and a lot of my stuff's been at night, so I haven't got a lot of great footage. Try to get it all mashed together, show you what we've been up to the last little while. Been slacking on the releases of my videos, but we'll get cracking. The days start getting a little longer, and we'll probably catch a few more of these, get some good footage for you out there. So thanks for all the support, thanks for watching.